I'm Diane Wolf, CEO of Carlisle Container Company. Carlisle Container is magically located in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. It was established in 1965. In 2010, my husband and I bought out the partner, and in 2012, Carlisle Container became an official woman-owned business certified by WeBank. The interesting thing about the customer base of Carlisle Container is that it's so varied. We go through the whole variety. We have food-based customers, we have manufacturers, we have pharmaceuticals, we have the whole gamut. June of this year was 20 years since we have been in the digital printing business. The impetus to buying the Nozomi was we were really at a crossroads. When I looked at the features and benefits of the Nozomi 14,000, there were some quite obvious ones. One was the speed of printing. It's light years above and beyond anything we had. I think secondly was the printing gamut, where we made the conscious decision to not choose white ink. So we chose the orange and violet option, which then allows us to hit, I think it's 96–98% of the PMS colors. That's where the market needs to be. And certainly the quality of the print. When you can print a digital print that looks exactly like a litho label, and I'm here to tell you it looks exactly like a litho label. We've laid them both next to one another, and I just knew it was a game changer in the market.
Hi, my name is Shane Pavelchik. I'm a digital packaging consultant with Carlisle Container Company. The Nozomi has changed the landscape of digital printing and of corrugated printing. Its speeds are unrivaled, the lead times are gone. One thing I'm finding is we're really kind of giving the power back to the advertising side of the business and the marketing teams. Basically, we can give the customer whatever they want, whatever they're looking for with at large format, high speed. It's just a game changer, and the versatility is just, it really is just letting the buyer have what they want. When you start eliminating tooling and you start bringing everything back in-house, and then you team it up with the speed and the quality, I mean, we are blowing litho pricing out of the water. Typically when I take a sample in, there's a good shot I'm going to close that deal. It's seeing is believing. They're used to seeing litho quality. They're educated in litho, and when they see that this rivals litho at a fraction of the cost, it all comes down to pennies at the end of the day. It's the quality of the print. It really is disruptive to the corrugated industry. This is the future. Nozomi is the future.
With the implementation of the Nozomi 14,000 at Carlisle, our goal for our customers and our customers to be will think of us as entrepreneurial disruptors in the marketplace. Creative, fascinating, maybe a little fun, and just simply, wow, look what they can do.